Here's a pattern that should concern anyone building on AI right now. The entire industry has converged on three model providers: OpenAI, Anthropic, and Google. That's not bad in itself. The developer experience is genuinely great, and the capabilities are real. But we've quietly built a critical infrastructure dependency that runs deeper than anything we've seen before. Today on X, the phrase "Claude just killed our startup" is trending. The story is simple. A founder built a product around a capability gap in Anthropic's model. That gap got filled in a routine update. No deprecation notice, no migration path, just a changelog footnote. The product went from a real business to redundant software overnight. This isn't about Anthropic being careless. It's about how foundation models work. They're not static APIs like a database or a web service. The model that exists today is not the model that exists in 3 months. Features that weren't there yesterday appear silently. Reasoning patterns shift, and the entire industry is racing to build deeper into this stack, not building defenses against it. Think about what happens when AWS goes down. Half the internet stops working. We accepted that concentration risk in cloud infrastructure 15 years ago because the productivity gains outweighed it. We're doing it again with AI, but this time the dependency is more fundamental. Cloud failure is transient, servers come back up. A model update that changes core behavior just stays. Your product's reasoning layer is now in someone else's hands. The companies worth betting on long-term aren't necessarily the ones with the best AI features today. They're the ones building moats that survive a foundational model capability shift. Proprietary data that models can't replicate. Workflow integrations that create switching costs. Feedback loops that improve with every use. These are real defensibility strategies. They require more than calling an API. The products that concern me are the ones where the entire value proposition is a thin wrapper around a foundation model's current capabilities. Prompt goes in, GPT response goes out, margin is taken. That's not a business. When the model catches up, and it will, there's nothing left to defend. If you're building on AI right now, the question worth sitting with is this: what happens to your product if your foundation model ships the feature you're selling next quarter?